Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. Unfortunately, I don't have a positive word of the day. I haven't been on, I haven't made videos in a little bit because our family's been going through a really hard time, and my father passed away last Friday on November 1st, and he had a long battle with illness. About 5 years ago, he got West Nile virus, and that led to meningitis and Guillain-Barré syndrome. He was in a rehab facility for months, and then he came home, and my mom has been his primary caretaker or caregiver for the last 5 years. And he developed Lewy body dementia. So that has progressed quite a bit in the last 6 months. And then this last month, he had a decline in his dementia. And then he, unfortunately, a week or so ago, he had a stroke. And then on Friday the 1st, he passed away. So we're just struggling. I'm trying not to cry even making this. You know that it's coming, and you still don't tell your heart not to be sad. I'm happy for him that he's no longer suffering, but we miss him tremendously. And I was super close with my dad, and he was just a really great person, and he was very artistic and did some beautiful artwork. He did pastel drawings, and I have some beautiful drawings of Van Gogh's Starry Night he did for me, and another beautiful drawing of just a still portrait of like eggs in front of a crock, and he framed it with reclaimed barn wood, and it's beautiful. It's been in my kitchen for years. So lots of neat things. I've got a million wonderful memories, and I told him a million times how much I love him, but it's still hard. And so I haven't been able to, with us going through all the things that we were going through, I haven't had time or been able to make videos, and I just don't want to lose my followers. I've worked hard to get the followers that I do have, and I do care about my social media community. So I've got some really wonderful friends that I've met through social media and through doing these videos. So hang in there with me. I will be back really soon. I will be making more Julie Nutting videos, working on my steampunk journal, doing my Victorian journal. I've got so many different things for art journaling, some more face-ups that are going to be coming out soon, which I love doing face-ups. So I'll be showing more of my techniques and tips and tricks and fun things that I like to share. So please stay tuned, and know that as soon as I can get back on track, I will be back making some videos. I did want to just show this quick thing. This is a free kit that is from a lady on YouTube. Her channel is called TwistedArtDesigns, and she gives away free kits, plus she sells other beautiful kits. And this one was for fall, and it's just a really cute little flip journal that's got pockets and fold outs and all kinds of really fun things that you put together with little fall animals and mushrooms and all kinds of cute things, pockets and tags, and it's just darling. Her kits are beautiful. So I'm going to be putting that into a journal that I'm making, a fall journal, and I printed it twice so that I can use some of the decorative things on the actual pages in my journal so that it'll correspond, and it's going to be really cute. So it's just a cute fall journal I'm doing for myself. And when I get that put together, I'll show a flip through. But TwistedArtDesigns, beautiful stuff. And she also has a steampunk one that was free. The fall one was a free kit, and this steampunk one is a free kit. And so since I'm doing my steampunk journal, and I've got a video of this where I did a cute face-ups girl on a steampunk page. And I made her little free flip book, but I did it a little different than what she showed in her video. Just made some little tweaks and changes. But I glued it into the front of my steampunk journal. So it's got flips too, little flips and pockets and cute things. This is like a waterfall flip. And I'm going to add more pictures and images and tags and things in it, but I just thought it'd be cute to put it in the front of my steampunk journal. So check her videos out. I'll have a link to her channel in my description box where you can find her channel and look for her free kits. And once you do and you sign up, she sends you other freebies too over email. So it's just really fun. She's got a great channel with some really cute kits. So I will be back and make some more fun things, some more steampunk layouts, and some more face-ups, and just keep playing in my journals. I do so many different kinds of things, so many different themes. I jump around. I have a lot of different books going at the same time, and I just work on whichever one I feel like, or if I come across something like something cute that's steampunk like that, and I want to put it in my book, then I jump over and work on this one. Then I go back to my fall one. I'm going to start a forest journal. I'm doing a second gnome journal with the black pages like the previous one, but a second one just because I enjoyed the first one so much. But then I've got a lot of really cute Julie nutting ideas still, and I had started a Julie nutting layover kit for Halloween with some adorable costumes that fit about 9 different ones of the Julie nutting stamps, and I was just this close to having it completed, and then all this happened with my dad, and I never got it done. And then I did notice that a couple ladies in the Julie nutting group for my videos decided to do Halloween pages. So I was so disappointed that I didn't get that out for everybody to play with and have fun with. And now it's pretty much too late. Halloween's over. So, you know, maybe it'll be a project that I'll finish and post next year, or I'm not sure. If anybody's interested in it, even though it's past Halloween, let me know. And maybe I can finish it. So anyway, thank you to the people who have sent me emails and messages, and I've received a beautiful gift from Mimi. Thank you so much, Mimi. It was a shadow box with a dragonfly and a beautiful poem that I have put a picture of my dad on the back of it, and I have it standing up in my living room, and it's just beautiful. So lots of great friends that help you get through these hard times. I know a lot of you have lost parents. It's not easy. I've been spending a lot of my time with my mom and trying to help her through this hard time. He was the absolute love of her life, and it was hard to go from being a caregiver, taking care of someone through every aspect of their life, every day, 24 hours a day, to them being gone. So she's kind of rattling around and trying to figure out what it's going to be like in this new journey of hers to be alone. And so I'm trying to spend some extra time with her, and help her through. And my brother gave her a beautiful gift of purchasing a tree that he's going to have planted in her yard as a memorial tree for my dad. So that's a beautiful thing. So hang on, or hold on to each other tight. Hug your loved ones. Tell them how much you love them. Life is short. You never know when things are going to change. And we all need to just care a lot about each other and show a lot of love, because that's what makes the world go round, is the love and care we have for each other. So thanks for hanging in there, and please stay tuned and don't give up on me, because I'll be back with more fun videos in the future. So future, lots of fun to come. Just give me a little bit of time to get through this. So all right, thank you guys. Appreciate you all, and I'll see you soon.